Hello everyone, I'm Raj. I just came here from all the way Jhansi to here just to get treated. I've been suffering from lower back pain. It's been more than a year, I guess. I just came here to get treated by Dr. Manoj, and the experience is really good. Sir is really kind. The supporting staff is really good. Like, they want to do their job really good. And I'm feeling much better now. It's been only 7 days, and I'm feeling very relaxed now. I'm in a good mental space. All in all, I would really recommend you, if you are struggling with back pain or any kind of problems, I think you should come here and visit sometime. Thank you.
Movement Care. Feel the relief.